Understanding idioms. Tough as rhino hide. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore an interesting idiom that paints a vivid picture with just a few words. Tough as rhino hide. If you're curious about what this phrase means and how you can use it in your daily conversations, then you're in the right place. Let's unravel the mystery together. When we say something is tough as rhino hide, we are using an idiom to describe someone or something that is extremely tough, resilient, or durable. The hide, or skin, of a rhinoceros is known for being incredibly thick and tough, offering them protection against predators and environmental challenges. So, when we compare something to rhino hide, we're saying it can withstand a lot of pressure, damage, or difficult situations without being easily harmed or affected. Understanding where idioms come from can often help us grasp their meanings more deeply. The phrase, tough as rhino hide, originates from the literal observation of the rhinoceros's skin. For centuries, the rhino's thick skin has been emblematic of impenetrable defense. This idiom takes that literal toughness and applies it metaphorically to situations or people, highlighting their resilience or strength in the face of adversity. Using idioms like tough as rhino hide can add color and depth to our language. Here's how you might use it. Describing a person's character. My grandmother raised 5 kids on her own during difficult times. She's as tough as rhino hide. Talking about physical durability. This old truck has survived countless road trips and harsh weather conditions. It's tough as rhino hide. In a work or challenge context, completing this project on such a tight deadline was no easy feat, but our team proved to be as tough as rhino hide. Let's put our learning into practice. Imagine you're describing someone who has overcome many challenges in life. You might say, despite facing numerous setbacks, John's resolve never wavered. He's truly tough as rhino hide. Or, when talking about a durable product, you could comment, this phone case is amazing. It's tough as rhino hide and has protected my phone through many drops. Understanding and using idioms like tough as rhino hide can make your English more expressive and natural. We hope this video has shed light on this particular phrase and inspired you to start incorporating it into your conversations. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every new phrase you learn is a step forward. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more content. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.